Hello everyone, I am your host Haroon Zuberi. In this video, we are going to learn about the version management system, like what it is and why it is important. Also, we will see that how Git is the most popular version management system. So, let's get started. When you talk about the version control system, you can see you are working on a project that is long term. To maintain the consistency and performance of the team, you have to take backup regularly, and you will put it either in a drive or a cloud or anywhere else. So it might be pretty difficult for you to take backup on regular basis, like such as just for an example, you are developer 1 and you have version 1, version 2, version 3 and version 4 of the system. But you can see you have 4 developers or 3 developers. Developer 2 has its own 4 versions, developer 3 has its own 4 versions. Also, in this case, you all have your own versions, and at the end of the system, to provide the final build, you have to merge all of them. But in this case, you have to put a lot of effort, and definitely you will be frustrated because everyone has its own version and its code. So it will take definitely human effort, and that will definitely tire you up. So in this case, the solution is the version management system. In the version management system, we have a central repository, and every developer, you can say you have 3 developers are working on its own branch. Developer 1, developer 2 and developer 3. You can see developer 1 has its own branch, branch 1, branch 2 and branch 3. At the end of the system, when you need to provide the final build, you can just merge them with only one command, and that is pretty easy and really helpful. In this case, it really amplifies our work and saved a lot of human effort. So let's first talk about the version control types. There are 2 types of version control system. One is the central version control system, and the other one is the distributed version control system. In the central version control system, you have a central repository, and every server, you can say every developer, you can say we have 4 developers now, are connected to the central repository directly. But in this case, if the central server crashed, all your work has been lost. But in the case of central repository, all of the persons and all of the developers have the code backup or the copies of the code or the copies of the repository on their local system. In the case of the server crash, they can easily merge them up. You can see they can pull, push or merge them up in any case. So in this case, it is very useful and effective. Now let's talk about Git. Git is the best because it is the most popular distributed version management system. Also, it is easy to use, and 90% of the repositories all over the world are using Git as a version management tool. In this course, we will see how can we set up the environment of the Git in the whole system. Also, we will see how you can manage the Git repositories. Also, we will see about the Git commands that can be used to manage your repository effectively. After that, we will see about the Git UI tools such as source tree, Git Kraken, fork, and any other. That will be definitely be helpful, guys. But most of the work that we are going to do will be in the command line. So if you are not familiar with it, then you don't need to worry about it. It will be super easy for you. So stay tuned with me. See you next time.